the stipe here broken of Dermatomyces microcarpus. Very interesting. I am putting it in the tray. And you see here a group of almost a dozen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 10 to 12 specimens. There are some also emerging from this area. You can see they are distorted. The stipes are distorted because they are phototrophic. So some are hiding below here, not fully mature. You can see here. This has got completely distorted here. So it has emerged and its entire fruit body has become twisted. Here you can see. So I am removing it. And interestingly, the spores are pink. You can see now clearly. Bring closer. The spores have been discharged on the stipe itself, on the mushroom. Focus on this. You can see that pink spores are discharged. Spore print has come automatically on the mushroom, which indicates that Dermatomyces microcarpus produces typical pale spore, pink spore print. So this group is also similar, means it is emerging through the litter, but it is not saprotroph as such. But in the mound itself, the mycelia is saprotrophic, but the species exist as mutualistic association. So for the first time in Goa University, we are recording here now near this location. I have not seen these fruit bodies for 25 years in this place behind our faculty building. So this is unusual because this year it has rained almost 2,430 millimeters as of today. Okay, so let us see now please focus on the environmental parameters which I am recording here on iPad. Okay, so the environmental parameters we can directly record in the field. Here. So, Talegaon, 30 degrees Celsius is temperature. This will give you the temperature map as of this location. Then precipitation. There is hardly any rain today. Cloud cover just above our head. It will be shown here, cloud cover. Wind speed and other things, they will also show you how the wind is moving in this direction. So other details are also available. Okay, so there are other very interesting applications. For the same location which we can record. Now there is another feature here which is very interesting, that gives us idea about thermal, this one, infrared camera. I am putting the whole thing on infrared. You can record this while I am taking the measurements. You can see here that the fruit bodies are cooler. Can you see here? Fruit bodies are easily standing out here. And decomposing vegetation is red. This side you come and see. This is infrared, gives you heat map of the entire this one. And you can see, can you see the mushroom? This is a mushroom. Can you see the mushrooms individual? Dermatomyces microcarpus, which are blue. They are blue because they are almost dead now. There is no metabolic activity. So it indicates their function is over, basidiospore discharge is over. Understood? Now you will see that there are green areas and red areas. What are these red areas? Red areas mean warm areas, where the litter decomposition is taking place due to bacterial and fungal activity. Litter decomposing fungi are active here. So if we take this mushroom here, you can see now that it is almost dead. Elsewhere also same thing. So this helps us in understanding the difference between the temperature gradient or profile of that area. Okay, stop.